Yeah. Slick Nick, aka Fresher, aka Residential Skills in the motherfucking building. You heard? Check it out, yeah. My flow so dope, I get all the girls choke. Matter of fact, I get them lifted, and then I sink they boats. I don't have to call them bitches, they already know. If they wanna have the D, then she give me deep throat. I put it in her belly, and she tell me she ain't ready, but I'm nuttin' like I'm steady, and I'm ballin' like I'm Kelly. I told her when we're boning that my moms don't like the moaning, probably cause it starts in the evening straight till the morning. Sun come up, she going. Matter of fact, she floating. My mind's gone when she's open. Plus some blunts I'm smoking. Not playing around, no joking. I'ma leave this chick wide open. If this girl come around again, I'ma claim this bitch is broken. Yes, I'm high off these chemicals, but please don't be offended. Yo, you'll be quick to get pushed back like a cuticle. I own a crucial flow, and if you didn't know, now you know, hoes. It's time for us to go harder than a motherfucker. Yes, they call it ham. And when we step through the door, they know we can rock a fan, Rockefeller, same difference. And when they hear the song, they do the dance. Do the dance, yeah, go ahead and do the dance. Do the dance, yeah, go ahead and do the dance. Do the dance, yeah, go ahead and do the dance. Do the dance, yeah, go ahead and show me your hands.